Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. We got another hard reset for you. Today we're going to do the FOXXD A65S. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or a password and you forgot what it is and you have to do a hard reset, I will show you how to do that. As always, just a reminder, when you do a hard reset, you will delete all the data off the phone. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted. And lastly, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up. So we will be doing a teardown on this one coming up soon, probably tomorrow. So you guys can catch that, but let's jump into this. First thing we want to do is make sure the phone's off, and it is. You either turn it off with the power button or pull the battery and put it back in. But you have your volume up, volume down, and power, and what we want to do is hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start off by holding volume up, then hit power. And then that brings us right to our bootloader options, and we basically want the arrow to point on recovery. In this case it does. If it wasn't, you just toggle volume up, and then your volume down is to select. So as soon as it's on recovery, hit the volume down button. And then it'll load to the no command screen. And to get from this to get to the actual recovery option, what we want to do is hold power and tap the volume up. And from here, we want to use the volume buttons to scroll, and we want to scroll down to wipe data factory reset, hit the power button, and then confirm again, hit the power button. So now it's deleting, now it's done. And we want to, in this case, you can either reboot it or power it off. And I'm just gonna power it off, but if you do reboot it, it just loads to the welcome screen, and you can set up the phone like it was new. So hopefully you guys found that helpful. If you did, if you could like, comment, share, all that wonderful stuff, I definitely appreciate it. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.